So for the first time in 16 years, I'll no longer be riding for GT bikes. GT's all I've ever known for the past decade and a half, and we accomplished a lot together. I was super bummed when I found out that GT was officially closing their doors, but I have a lot of gratitude and I feel fortunate for the times that I had riding their bikes and the opportunities that came with that. With that being said, I'm looking forward and not back, and this gave me the opportunity for the first time in a long time to find a new home. And I'm excited to announce that I will be riding for RE Bikes from here on out. RE is a Utah-based company, which is super rad and convenient because being that they're only a few hours away, I had the opportunity to drive up there the other day and pick up some new frames. I'm super antsy to try out my new bikes, and I'm about to build up the first of 8 new builds, and I'm starting with the Superior Peak downhill bike. Can't wait to try it. So I'm gonna get it built and go take it for its first test ride.
in the style, hanging with the guys, and they welcomed me home, and they showed me the way. When I thought creeped in, would I return again? Softly whispers, there's no coming back. Well, in my mind finally slipped through a cerebral crack. And the search continues on. And the search continues on. If you lost your mind, is it even something that's possible to find? When I heard the voice whisper, there's no coming back, I feel my mind finally slip through cerebral crack. And the search continues on. And the search continues on. If you lost your mind,
oh, this one's still recording.